Hello, I'm Michael Erickson with DRB Systems Support, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the Fujitsu F53 dual denomination bill dispenser in your ExpressPay terminal. To complete this, you'll need the tools shown on screen. Caution, do not use on-site compressed air lines because of the potential damage resulting from moisture and high pressure. Using the keys, unlock the top and bottom locks. When prompted, enter your employee number and password. Then, use the hand crank to unseal the door. Then open the main door and turn off the power using the main power switch on the back wall. Now we need to remove the dispenser for cleaning. To start, unlock and remove the bill dispenser swing plate cover. Then remove the bill cassettes and reject tray, setting all three aside. Then slide the bill dispenser out of the XPT, but do not remove. Now disconnect the bill dispenser serial port connector. On older XPTs, you will need to remove the carrier board cover to unplug the serial connector. If this is the case with your XPT, remove the 6 5/16" hex nuts that secure the cover plate. And then inside the XPT, disconnect the power connector. Locate the bill dispenser stop, then loosen and remove it. Grab the bill dispenser's metal handle and carefully pull it towards the front of the XPT while supporting the underside of the bill dispenser. Do this until it's completely removed. Set the bill dispenser on a dry, stable surface for cleaning. Then open each bill cassette and remove the money from them. Use a can of compressed air to remove dust and debris as shown. Then, use the can of compressed air to blow out any debris from the bill cassettes. Dampen a Q-tip or soft cloth with rubbing alcohol and clean the exposed pick roller and sub-roller. Rotate the sub-roller and repeat the steps above until all sides of the sub-roller are clean. Be careful, one of the rollers cannot be rotated by hand. This is to prevent bill theft when the cassette is locked. Therefore, only its exposed surface can be cleaned. Now we need to install the new bill dispenser. Now slide the dispenser back in, making sure that the groove on the bottom lines up with the corresponding track inside the XPT. Connect the bill dispenser's serial connector to COM5 on the carrier board and the power cable to the corresponding plug. If you had to remove the carrier board cover, go ahead and reconnect it now. Next, replace the bill dispenser stop and then reinsert both bill dispenser cassettes in the reject tray. Finally, slide the bill dispenser swing plate cover back over top the guide pins and then close and lock the plate into place. The last step is to test your bill dispenser. Power up the XPT and close but do not lock the main door. Enter your employee number and password when prompted, and then go to Maintenance Mode, Enable and Test Hardware, Bill Dispenser. Verify that the device is enabled and its status is OK or in warning. Dispense a few test bills from each cassette, verifying that the bills are dispensed with no issues. If everything looks good, lock the XPT door and exit Maintenance Mode. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our support department. Thank you for watching.